So we're making lasagna roll-ups. This is it could be an entree, it could be an appetizer. And what I've done is we're just gonna use our favorite jarred pasta sauce for this. Put half of the pasta sauce in your pan. We've pre-cooked our lasagna noodles, and I did finish them, ran them under cold water so that they cool off and the cooking would stop. And a little drizzle of olive oil, so you can see they're a little bit glossy, but they're dry enough. Then we have our ricotta, couple eggs, oregano, basil, and fresh mozzarella that's grated, and Parmesan cheese. And I'm gonna put a nice dollop of this filling right on the end of this pasta noodle, and I'm going to roll that up and place it right into my pan that we've put the pasta sauce in. And we'll continue to do this, evenly distribute it among your pasta noodles, and you can actually fit quite a bit in. Then when you get them all rolled up, finish it with the rest of your sauce and put all your grated mozzarella on top. You could even do a little extra sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Stick them in the oven and you've got an amazing dinner with salad or an appetizer.